Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off for qualification match number 107, with one team from East Alliance going to that far launch zone and picking up artifacts immediately after. Their partners in the front are doing the same as they are cycling those artifacts. It appears as if the blue ramp is full, so at the start of the teleop period, in a moment here, they will have the choice to empty it, and they most likely will. Red Alliance, though, still in the lead by about 20 points as we enter this driver-controlled phase. Mars Curiosity emptying that ramp for the Red Alliance and going up to the near launch zone, joined by their teammates VC Silver Circuits, who are launching from the far launch zone as they also play some defense against the two blue robots. Trying to figure out their aim is Load Robotics, as they have found it, going 2-4-3 from that far launch zone, followed up by their teammate who is going 3-4-3 and clearing it. That is the Enigma Riddlers. Enigma Riddlers are maintaining their grip on this near launch zone as they keep circulating to and from that ramp, emptying it and picking up as quickly as possible, which is why they are still in the lead. It is time. The Red Alliance is trying to do the same thing as Mars Curiosity opens up that gate, while their teammates VC Silver Circuits are headed back to the far launch zone, though they earn 2 minor fouls for those 2 missed shots that they had. On the blue side, we have Load Robotics shooting consistently, going to pick up 3 from their human player, heading to that far launch zone, picking up some more as we enter the end game. Continuing to do their thing and trying to fill up those ramps as quickly as possible. It seems we have a misfire by Load Robotics outside of the field, though we are still going. The Red Alliance almost has a full ramp, and those final shots from VC Silver Circuits will do it.
We got the score. The winner is Red Alliance with a score of 234 points.